ASL, you use a surrogate when you want to show what another person, animal, or animate object did. You set up a place for them, and you then take on that role to show what they did or said. You can then jump back into another role, or even into yourself, to show what you said and or did. This can be used when you're including constructed dialogue as well. An example of this would be signed conversation between my friend and I, shown in the constructed dialogue lecture. Let me give you another example using myself and a cat.